Good evening, everyone. I'm getting ready to make some ice cream again because I had some heavy whipping cream left over from a different recipe. I don't like it to go to waste. So whenever I make ice cream in my Cuisinart, I always just do the basic vanilla recipe and then I'll add flavoring later on. So I need 1 3/4 cup heavy whipping cream. Not for sure how much is left, so let's see. That's 1.5. 3/4. It's close. You know what? There's only a little bit left. Okay. 2 cups. And then I'm going to make the difference. Usually it's 1 1/4 cup whole milk. This is going to be a little creamier. So I will just do 1 cup of whole milk. Get that up to the 3 cup line. And then I'm going to add 3/4 cup sugar, 1/8 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract. Stir that together and let it sit in your fridge for 2 hours before we mix it in the ice cream maker. And you can let it sit as long as you want. Like, I ain't making ice cream in 2 hours. I'm making ice cream tonight. So it'll sit in my fridge for 4 to 6 hours. You just want all that creamy goodness to meld together in the refrigerator. I added the sugar, the vanilla, the salt. Now I'm gonna stir it together. That's why it's bubbling, because I just added the sugar. I love this mixing bowl. It's from Pampered Chef. I love it because it has a lid, so it makes it a lot easy to store my ice cream mixture in the fridge. So yeah, I'm just gonna stir it until everything is dissolved together. I used to have this smaller whisk that was like plastic coated, and the plastic started peeling off. It was really disappointing. Now I see that this label is peeling off. They just don't make products as well as they used to. So yeah, I'm gonna get this stirred and stick it in the fridge. I'm going to make a mixed berry syrup to go with the ice cream. I had these berries left over from a cake I made the other day, and I'm just not gonna snack on them. I don't want them to go to waste, and I do like using stuff up, so I just thought it'd be perfect to go with the ice cream. And so I'm just gonna take the rest of these berries, dump them in my little saucepan, add a 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of water, and boil it down. I'm just gonna let this simmer on like a low to medium heat while I cook dinner. So I did pour the mixture into this little strainer because I only want the liquid to add to the ice cream. Let it cool down, probably put it in the refrigerator. And then when we make ice cream later, I will add it at the last 5 minutes of the 25-minute ice cream making process. This is my 2-quart Cuisinart that I won at an arcade, Dave & Buster's, a long time ago, and I love it. So this is the churning canister. You want to leave it in your freezer for at least 4 hours. And then you just put that in there, and then you pour your mixture in. And then this goes in like this. And this will catch. To get it spinning, you turn it on. Pretty simple. I poured the mixture in, I turned it on, and I will set a timer for 25 minutes. It does not automatically turn off. You do have to set your own timer. While the ice cream is churning, I'm getting the containers together. It makes 2 quarts. It's too much to eat in one sitting for just the 2 of us. So I did get these food containers off of Amazon. I'll have a link down below. And then I'm just marking the lids. I'm only doing 4 because I can't remember if this makes 4 cups or 6. I think it makes 6 cups. Anyway, we'll find out once I scoop it in. All right, I'm gonna start adding the syrup. Don't know that I'm gonna add the whole container. It's been churning for 25 minutes. I'm sorry, 20 minutes. So I want it to see what it looks like. That syrup tastes delicious. I would say I used about half of a cup of syrup. I still have some left. I'm not gonna use it in the ice cream. I'll save it for like waffles this week. Turn into this nice light lavender color. I'm just gonna do a quick taste test. You can hear it's still churning. It's got like 2 more minutes. Oh my God. That is so good. This is just a rice paddle. So good. And I really love when I make a recipe and I have all the ingredients, so I didn't have to buy anything, using up stuff that might have went to waste. Perfect ice cream. Look at that beautiful color. I'm gonna quickly get it into these containers and stick it in the freezer. I filled 5 cups, and I didn't even make me a bowl because I know that I want to make sure this is really clean. So I'll be eating all this ice cream that's stuck to the side. So 5 cups. I think that's pretty darn good. So the last bit is the hardest to clean off because it's completely frozen to the side, which of course just stick it in warm water, but I don't want to waste it. Oh God. So that syrup was made out of blackberries, blueberries, and a few raspberries. Mostly blueberries. I can't say it tastes like any specific berry, just that it tastes like berries. It's very, very good. And I love the color. Turned into a beautiful purple color. All right, I'm gonna eat the rest of this ice cream. I can't let anything go to waste.